I wish for me sounds more quite BM ba Emadek TV so yeah. If I just send the BM music canon and ne and your first time I patron was subscribe ya I know what share now I like it. No do what dance ya show so Omra make Emadek abusan ko na how bad dia update bi e koso bia ne sabeka. Yes, update bia ne ma e koso woni 10 times ni na. Yes, in sabeka. I wish for some more koso yes baba some more so koso Ghana. Issues so ha yes han kwa so na ebe ma waso ante san sem na ekoso
enti almost so much as o mbe ko farming enti aban mu awo se no krata we ye krata Ghana aban sa na hyase we nyame na me ye lands commission na ye yes koko dua se nyame ye wadom Eye Anglo Gold Ashanti adanseman nyina no aban de ama won asase sikashim gold ho nti ade bia woso a won mpebe mutimi dwiri tugu nti mutimi bu nipa dan etugu se gold e wo ho se waye afuo wo ho a ye say tiemi yi o na wo de tree population na ye calculation no ti se si esenyame ayi wadom no wadua koko Nessa wo koko nuya mako 450 ya. Yase bako yama 12 cities 34 pesos. One cocoa tree. But say endru 450 trees in dia bako 7 cities. Meanwhile, cocoa board hybrid seedlings almost spending close to 100 Ghana cities on one. And some farmer and saka no could do for free.
It's not even funny again.
Debbie, Captain.
Yes, sir.
Hey, me yell. I am so embarrassed. I don't pay Mary Bahan. Me who say a very young girl also in Sue. And it drinks when it is so. Now say wa bread.
Ow.
Nti or him say my man sign say ope me pensuni bia. Na oma insunu so say no ye ne kon say. Say ne kon na waiter ekura no. Insunu bro at least 100 pounds. Nti can you imagine say was share insu for an hour, uko gym cry now we ukra dumbbells now we workout. We 10 sets. Wabre. Shena abufreyi kura adina SSA anka ote baby young girl one mano craft bin wesua. Woshe Obuasi case here, Captain. Let me tell you.
Tell me.
The whole Obuasi region should be shut down. Munti na mekano, me a president nea. Me shut the whole Obuasi down. SSA companies are one mine gold Obuasi na SSA will pay for a new housing development outside of Obuasi for inhabitants of Obuasi. Because the whole landmass of Obuasi is toxic and yet fit. And yet fit for human life. Say, SSA nipa etna Obuasi. Neurological diseases and conditions are erebano. Efe ne rifiase. Sena Captain Kessie, deformities. It goes way beyond that. Hey, adwene kakra kra na yenya kra na yenga yenko Obuasi. Yen penyufo na wote parliament na. Adwene no kra na won ko Obuasi o. Wontumi news sa adwene ni ye. Adwene na enye toxic na edi niama etu kwankwa abrochiri ko hu Dubai ko hu abrochiri. Sa adwene no kra ntumi nye adwuma. Na adwene a was subject to toxicity at this level. Ebede na ye adwuma. Dwene ho hwɛ. Abrochiri baabia no, they are artificially developing the youth. Because there is a crisis of a shrinking of the population of the youth that will be develop into human capital. No longer ye juma. Yeah, we have an abundance of 66% of the whole Africa youth. We have the engine. Yeah, the oil begu engine ni ebe crank, nebe start, nebe mayeng, ebe build wealth for Africa no. Yeri inject one, yeri expose one to toxicity. Ni ye kumu. Yeria, because we haven't built wealth, ya kurubruni ho, akuji 3 billion. Hey, come on. This is not made up. Yeah. Maybe estimates should say at the very least, no. Yeah, air left $10 billion of gold a year in Ghana. 10 billion. Me say wopa called the gold souks in the UAE called baby what on gold be around the world. Nakore said the world standard, no. Would they compare Ghana gold at the very least times 30. Send what on Ghana no times 30 wa bruchi. Inti say lift 10 billion a year times 30 na ya times 30 no ya that's 300 billion. What the American say? Yen slash no crown so by another 2/3. 1/3 pair would be $100 billion if we just added the standardized value, international value to gold. Yenye value add or Ghana. Yenye value add. Ye to gold na near the amo bruni. Inti to have the capacity and the potential to make $100 billion just from gold. Just from gold. Na yedibe mo bruni. Na okoyene 300 billion na. Ya san dan ye who say, ya paucho, ya ko German embassy ya ko power and Chelsea, one ko China. Inko pacha umayen, no one fa yen ka ye de won in chaying. Oh, come on. Here, you have to be embarrassed if you are an attention-paying, concerned Ghanaian. So we pay attention to Ghana, you have to be embarrassed. As I say, we to make us, and I may say, listen, if wujina baby, wujina wo me. Now can say, oh, I am for NDC. Oh, I am for MPP. There is something seriously wrong with your thinking. I'm telling you. Because you see, the very ground now, wujina swaye foundation, wujina sono. Worry, degrade sa foundation, no. We are going through a degeneration. Morally, physically, mentally, psychologically, worry, degenerate Ghana. Ghana, yeresa, we are thinning into air. We are thinning into air, and nobody seems to be concerned. Asofu, listen, there's going to be a time. Asofu,
2015.
We're going to pull a sheet on you. Nia say, mo asofu beng na you brought value to the Ghanaian people. Muntie na mekeni because asofu amomam bring value to the Ghanaian people, no, you're going to be written off. Muntie na mekano. Ahemfo, munse mintie na mekano. Yebe hwemu sheet, mo performance sheet. Nia hwe mo amam bring value to the Ghanaians, no. Wobe write them off. You no worry bo wo hu na ekoso. Say wutumi ko Obuasi na obi anum insu na ne skin na resay ya titi anope na oreka kire mi so obi yi no ho a patches ne skin just say the level of toxicity the body cannot hold.
I was for Hannah Medium see, Hannah Medium see. The watch out, Senator Biamican, and then your first time I will show you Emadek TV. I want to subscribe by my wife. Now I like it. Yes, now I share. And now what the home come out you. So Omra make kind of home. No, but update be an in Sabeka. Yes, never be a course to be an in Sabeka. Yeah, Sabeka will be a. If I show I send me by a comment in the same, then I was working from home. Yes, then I will come find story where I made a buy you. As some person will come find, but you will leave your comment section or at the Amaya. Also, I venture no ever ma Emadek at Tumpong because you know when you're not here, Jumano. The BBN among leave comments now. My so you are sent. Now the SU can't change me, yes, I can't change. Yeah, I had a medimusi because she was a over subscriber. Now I share. Yes, now I like it. I wasn't sure the one dance here too. Say, oh, my making Emadek can be so cool. Macro.